Hello, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Valentino Garavani hat, baseball hat. Just as a note, I'm getting over bronchitis, so if I don't sound the best, I apologize, and hopefully you enjoy this. I'll talk you through some of the different qualities and what I feel like is useful for people looking to purchase some expensive luxury brands like this. Just as a little bit of background, I have a fair collection of baseball hats from tons of different designer brands and whatnot. Good amount of experience buying and selling and owning these things. So hopefully you enjoy and we can keep making more content. So firstly, I think the nice thing about spending this extra money is the packaging that you're gonna get. No, this box isn't branded, but it is from the factory. The item was ordered off of Saks Fifth Avenue. Typically these are about, I think about $350 a pop. I got a really killer deal on this. I think it was $135. And I got free shipping because of my membership with Saks Fifth Avenue. So kind of standard with most Valentino Garavani pieces. You're gonna get a really nice dust bag, cotton canvas, logo, made in Italy. Even the bag is made in Italy. So yeah, it's the details that really count with this stuff. Then you also typically get with Valentino one of these black care and use instructions. This has come in pretty much every type of item that I've purchased that's Valentino. I don't know, at least 10 different Valentino jackets, shirts, all sorts of different stuff from this brand. It's definitely my favorite designer. The quality is pretty much second to none. You're going to be paying a lot of money, but the nice thing about Valentino is that everything is limited production. You are going to get something that you'll love, and on top of that, you're going to be able to resell it if you have to. That is the number one thing that I always tell people when they ask me, well, how do you afford this? Why do you spend all this money on these things? I think the most important thing is that you can resell these items. I particularly use eBay. I've had really good success there. And really at the end of the day, I can probably resell this hat if I keep it for a couple years, keep it clean, since I don't wear things like this every day. I mean, this will probably get worn once every month or two, depending on what I'm wearing. All my stuff tends to stay really fresh. So, I mean, you're going to be able to get your money back. So I paid $135 for this. I guarantee I can sell this piece for at least $175 to $250 pre-owned with the dust bag. I might keep the box, but it just turns into a lot of clutter because you just get tons of packaging with these high-end designer brands. But that's kind of my justification. And you know, you really love it, and you're not just buying some cheap thing that's made in China and that you're just gonna be like, whatever. You don't think about it, you don't care, you don't feel good when you wear it. It's really wasteful. I mean, I'd rather have something that I'm not going to throw in the garbage. Like, you're not going to throw a Valentino Garavani baseball cap like this in the garbage. Even if it's stained, you're gonna actually do something with it. It'd have to be in pretty ratty condition. But anyways, we'll pull this thing out. This one is a red Valentino. Really nice quality. The nice thing about everything that you get from Valentino is it's going to be made in Italy. You're not buying something that's made in a slave factory by children in bad working conditions. So I mean, you actually feel like not only is the money spent it's not fast fashion. It's not all this junk you see online that just really disgusts me personally. I mean, I understand utility and not everyone can afford this kind of item, but I really believe in the fact that you get what you pay for. It's worth it to spend the extra money. You're supporting a historic brand. I mean, Valentino is one of the most coveted designers out there. There's just all sorts of benefits to it. And you know that the workers are being treated well. They like what they're doing, I would hope. You're not supporting the really poor trades and bad ethics of other, let's just call them developing countries, manufacturing processes, which are quite repugnant, actually, in my mind. So you'll see the tags on them. Typically they're going to be like a black color on the newer stuff. Sizing, you'll see a variety of different things, serial numbers, this barcode, blah, 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 blah. So this particular baseball cap has a really nice leather strap on the back. That is one of the nice things about these higher end pieces, is you're going to get little details that really add up. This white little deal here, the clasp, looks like it's plastic, but it is not plastic. It is a powder coated white metal, probably aluminum or steel. Just your dunnage filling. The nice thing about these hats too is the inside of the hat is very nicely constructed. There's several layers to it. What I do to clean these up, if you're hot, you get sweat on it, blah, blah, blah. I just take like a dish rag with a little bit of dish soap and some water and kind of wipe around the rim. You're really going to get the most of it on this part here, which can leach through to the front. So I personally do not wear these hats if I'm going outside for like an outdoors thing like a hike or going to the gym, all that. I would not personally wear this hat for that. I do wear them traveling in the airport, outdoors if I'm just casually doing something. And I mean, you can still, obviously, you're at the airport. Personally, I'm always drenched in sweat. It just, all the walking, all the stuff you're carrying, so you can clean them up. But I just probably would never wear something like this for really heavy activity, because it wouldn't be worth the hassle, and the resale value is pretty much toast. I mean, who wants some grubby, sweaty thing? You'll also see the branding, some of the care instructions, and your typical sizing and all the disclaimers they put in their clothing. Again, this is handmade in Italy. Best quality fabrics, leathers, metal. I mean, just really awesome quality. You're really not gonna get much better than something like this, and it's a really nice piece. I look forward to it. I hope you found this video useful. I'm gonna be doing a lot more. I have not done any speaking in any of my prior videos, which is kind of a shame, but this is my first, so hopefully you found some use in this. We will be doing more of these in the future, and I hope to see you. Thank you.